Hello, grade 2 students. How are you today? Welcome to our Science 2 class. Today, we will be on lesson 40 about layers of soil on your textbook, pages 92 and 93. Then we will have time for review. Last time, we studied about soil formation. It's a wonderful study. You did a very good job about the components of soil: air, water, rock particles, living things, humus, organic matter. Well, congratulations for answering the questions. You are very good. For today, as I said, we will turn your textbook to pages 92 to 93 to talk about layers of soil. All right? The question is soil made up of layers of different soil particles? Now, these are the things you need if you try this experiment. You need a tall glass container. You need soil and water. Number one, you need to do, pour some soil and water into a tall glass container like this one. And then after that, you go to number 2 step, cover the container and shake the mixture. Okay? Shake, up and down, up and down. And this is the result for some time. Okay? Now, before you answer number 3, I want you to understand first the following. Is soil made up of layers of different soil particles? What do you think? Now, if you place this one here, the water to the soil, it becomes like this mixture as you saw. And then there is this water and soil separated. Then, when a mixture of soil and water is left to stand for some time, this is what we will observe. There is here the different components in soil. We have small stones at the bottom. Then we have coarse sand. We have fine sand, I should say. We have clay. We have water. We have humus. We studied about humus last time. It's a mixture of the decayed materials. On top, they can be used for fertilizers. And so the larger or heavier soil particles will settle at the bottom, like the small stones. And so in this way, we can see the components of the soil clearly. Okay, can you see it? Different components in soil. All right. Now, I want you to watch this experiment and see and learn from it. And then I want you to answer the questions. All right.
Different soils have different textures, and the texture of soil is determined by the components and the amount of each component present in the soil. One kind of soil that is quite common is loamy soil. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and humus. It is full of air, holds good amount of water, and has nutrition for plants. It is useful for growing plants. Garden soil is an example of loamy soil. Here we will see an experiment to find out which soil is loamy. For this we need 3 soil samples. First we will take the 3 glasses filled with water and add each type of soil to the glasses. Stir them well. Now allow the soil to settle down. After some time, observe the layers. We can see layers of sand, clay, and humus in these too, which we can detect by looking at the particle size of settled materials. The lowest layer is that of sand particles. A little above is that of clay, and right up top is humus. So we saw loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and humus. It contains trapped air, holds good amount of water, and has nutrition for plants. So you can collect soils from different sites and test the texture.
Right? Now, leave the mixture to stand for a day. If you haven't done it, don't worry. You just watch the experiment. And then answer number 4. Observe what happens and draw the layers of soil. And then number 5 here, you see how many layers are there. I want you to see for yourself how many layers are there. What is your conclusion for this activity? Okay? And so, for this time, let us say bye-bye, but don't forget to post your answers below. All right? Bye-bye. See you next time.